A very good morning, students. I hope you all will be well and you are surely enjoying your online classes. As I see that many students they still are not aware of the things which teachers are teaching, okay, through online. And always I give you some words like on Thursday, Friday, most probably I always give you few new words because I want all of you to strengthen your vocabulary, because it is very important part of English language. Okay, so in this series I am giving you next 10 words today. First word that means on last turn I had taught you, I had explained till alimony. Okay, 20 words. So these 20 words already we have finished, and today I am going to take the next word, that is atone. Atone means prashchit karna. Okay, why I am telling you the words meaning in Hindi, so that it will be more, okay, useful for you, and you will easily understand the meaning of each and every word which I am teaching you here. So you should atone for your faults. Means you should feel regret, we can say. Okay, regret for your faults or whatever we do. Means sometimes what happens, we do such things which are not good actually, or good enough to praise ourselves. Okay, so after doing such things we feel regret. For that word, regret is also a verb, and this atone is also a verb. Okay, so these are the synonyms we can say. Next word is ambiguous. Ambiguous is an adjective. When there is something which is not clear, we can say. Okay, confusing or doubtful. So in that condition we use the word ambiguous. Okay, that is unclear. So this situation is so ambiguous. Okay, so here the situation is being told ambiguous, means uncleared or confusing state of mind, we can say. Or sometimes it may have double meaning also. Okay, ambiguous means you are not clear or you are confusing yourself, like that. Next word is, as you can see, okay, this is ambiguous. So here are few example. Means we can make okay, about this is the sentence: avoid the ambiguous language. Means that language which is not clear to everyone, we should avoid the ambiguous language. Then we can make noun also with this adjective ambiguous, that is ambiguity. Okay, ambiguity means when there is nothing which may be clear. Okay, aspashtata. Then we have next word, that is 23rd word, as you can see on my screen, that is observe. Observe means when we give up something, when we give up our bad habits, in that we say I observed my all the bad habits. Okay, to give up with an oath. And especially when we observe something with an oath, means we make some strategy, we make means some we promise someone that now onwards I'll not repeat this thing again. Okay, so uh, he observed his bad habits, like this we can say. Okay, one word we can use. And here is a word which I actually don't want to read this, but Hinduism and accepted another word, means religion. So here you can say he observed. Okay, good things, and he observed bad things and accepted, or he means adopted all the good habits. Okay, then with this word also we can make noun observation. Observation means sa shapat, okay, tyag. So he observed the realm. He swear means an oath to give up his country forever. So here means there are many people those who just take an oath, now I'll never come back to this country. Then next word is, that is 24th word, that is adjure. Okay, adjure, that is request, urge or plead. Okay, so here there are such words which we can use in our daily basis sentences. Okay, we can use them in our conversation. And if I suppose like I am teaching you these words, and afterwards if you don't repeat these words, if you don't make use of these words, this all will go in vain. Okay, this all will be total waste. So I just want everyone to use these words. And our next word is algae. So okay, change without evidence, this is the meaning of this word. The public alleged that he died of starvation. Allegation word you know very well. So alleged means um, a charge without evidence, when we don't know. When we don't know the word means sorry, when we don't know that what fault he has done, in that case sometimes we use this word. Okay, we use this word, and we means we allegate someone. So that word, when it converts into noun, it becomes allegation. So he alleged my friend that he has stolen his pen. So this is one of the very simple sentence which I have told you. Otherwise you can use this example. The public alleged that he died of starvation, means somebody died, and then public means people, they alleged his relative or someone that you killed this person. Okay, you did not give him proper diet or something. So he was alleged of theft. So उस पर किसका आरोप है? चोरी का. Allegation means what? Allegation means also that someone is alleged. In that case we say that this is an allegation on him. Next word is acme. Acme, this is a noun, and that we can say top, height, peak, and apex. Okay, knuckle. These are some of the synonym words of this word acme. Now the last word, analogy. Analogy we know that is similar. Okay, similar, or we can say sadrishyata. Okay, so today we'll keep here only. So I want everyone to note down these words. Okay, and after noting down, you have to form your sentences, so that you can means the meaning of these words will be more clear to you, and you will also understand how to make use of such words in sentences. Okay, especially when you write any story, these words may be very helpful to you. So today we'll keep till here. Goodbye, have a nice day.